and we played around with the HTML. And then in the router, we actually created default routes and a static route. So you can see the difference. The default routes will have an S and an asterisk, okay? And then the only purpose for that, I said it at the beginning, is the fact that if you do not have an entry for that particular network, you'll use the default route. But in our case, we did a static route, so there's an entry. So if you were to get asked the question, this is the, let me open it up so you can see what I'm saying. Okay, so let's get rid of all this. Let's do a branch stripe here. So if you get asked the question, based on this following output, and you're trying to get to the 200 network, will you use the default route or a static route? You will use the static route because it's an actual entry in the routing table, and that's what the router looks at first. If there is no entry, then it will use the default route. So you have to keep that in mind, okay? So these are the type of questions that they'll ask. We see that this was easy. We took it nice and slow, and we configured it, okay? So now people are always asking this question, labs, where's this lab? It's in the video. Pause the video, take a snippet of it, connect, create your lab, because you got to learn. Create your lab, and then slowly but surely, as you go, pause, grab the information, and configure.